Hello YouTubers, 2012 Ford Fusion, and we will replace cabin air filter. So to start, open the glove box. Next you will need to move this string towards the shelf and push it out. That will release the, just like that. Next step, it is attached on both sides with those rubber grommets, so squeeze it in, pull it out so it will come off. So here's your door for the filter. Next, what you do, you put you can do a screwdriver or a pick or whatever inside of this and pry it out and pull towards yourself. Just like that. And same on the other side. So now just gently wiggle it out. This shock absorber is on your way. So you remove it. Now you can pull the filter out. Here's the new filter. One thing to pay attention is to put it inside this arrow pointing down. So that's the airflow from the outside to the inside. And I will leave the link for this filter in the description to this video. So now we'll slide the new filter in. It will be much easier with both hands available. So now it's all the way in. So now what we need to do, install the door. Just like that. So this string is what will be attached to the glove box. So you might want to hold it. So while you put your glove box in, just in reverse order, push those rubber pieces in, grab your string, put it back, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and do it yourself.